Katanat CSR jong company Star Cement lum shnong haringkat ke jing trailang bat katanat Indian Institute Entrepreneurship Goti kala pelong yak program a Jinghikai ke balai Singlentar Star Club a ka ba arsan ngot ki Briew ki bana ka thaiñ Narpuh East Channel District kila wan mani shim benta ha kani ke jing Shahikai bat ki ne ki Briew ki dei ki betrei ki kam la jong yakni ka program a Jinghikai la ka shan lang da ka Office Development Commissioner MSME jong Sarkar India ka kong arti lingdo ka bana katanat Indian Institute Entrepreneurship Goti lembat ka kenhun kala ai ki Jinghikai shakiti ki apsan ngun bat ki ba Shahikai ki le thu ba ki la yo jingmanto shibun e na kani ka jing Shahikai ka balong kom ka jingalam lenti yaki ban Kyntiew yakakam Khaii pateng ka ba ki trei Loong bana kaliang katanat CSR Star Cement ru kanang yai pudien shushu yaki nie ki pelawan Shahikai bat hadien ka nriu penai katanat kan sakhot piang ban Shahikai shushu khnang ba ki kam ki jam ba ki tre ha ka Khaii ka pateng kin kio shaprang la saki lang ru yakani ka program a Jinghikai to uhe jang ka company Star Cement u AVM RV Ram Kishore ubade u AVSM retired ba ubabat kum u senior general manager Star Cement Lumshnang u manager katanat CSR u Kyntiew ke Bora.
Good wishes to everyone, okay, for your successful enterprise or entrepreneurship, I would say, ताकि आप लोग इसमें आगे बढ़िए, okay, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, thank you. हम आपसे आप सबको बुलाएंगे 6 महीने के बाद। 6 महीने के बाद आप सब लोगों से मुलाकात होगी इधर ही। आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप लोग इस ट्रेनिंग के बाद आपका क्या और कैसे आपका एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का आगे बढ़ाया आप लोगों ने, ताकि आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंसेस हम लर्न करना चाहते हैं. We wanted to know so that we can share with our trainers also for refining or retuning the training programs for the subsequent courses. आगे अगले कोर्सेज के लिए आपका एक्सपीरियंस के माध्यम से अगर ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करना चाहें और बेहतर बनाने के लिए हम आपसे निवेदन करते हैं कि 6 महीने के बाद हम मिलेंगे और आपका एक्सपीरियंसेस हमसे शेयर करवाने के लिए. थैंक यू एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड विशिंग यू ऑल सक्सेस इन ऑल योर एंडेवर्स. गॉड ब्लेस.
My name is Arti Lindo. I'm representing the Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship Guwahati. I am currently the state coordinator of Meghalaya. I would just like to share a little insights about the program that we are conducting. This program, the name of the program is Management Development Program. It is in collaboration with DC MSME. This is the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. It is a 5 days program which includes entrepreneurship development training, and we also cater on a little bit of marketing tips and tricks, and the target audience generally is they are existing entrepreneurs, people who are into business or who wants to start their own business. We are really very happy to be here. And we would like to really thank Star Cement, especially the CSR team, because without them, I don't think that this program would have been conducted here and would have been successful. Also, in these 3 days, I learned that there is a lot of opportunity here, especially East Kyntiew Hills, because it is still a region which is untapped. There are many opportunities, many business ideas that can be promoted here. We have interacted with the beneficiaries, and we have given them some insights on various business ideas, especially on the available resources. So our focus is to encourage local entrepreneurs. Encourage them to use the available resources, local resources which is available, and start their own ventures. So we gave them insights on agricultural products, on farming. We also gave them some tips and tricks on different types of businesses that they can do For example, the services that they can provide, like home delivery services or childcare services. And we also encourage them to learn more about the ongoing schemes and support, financial support, which the government is providing currently in our state. We also supported them with where to go, whom to meet, and what are the various departments that are catering to these schemes. Along with our own institute, we are also an institute which provides schemes and grants, and we are also on the look for startup entrepreneurs. We have various projects under our own organization. We work with various ministries, so we have been able to cater to all those information, and we hope that this particular program is going to be the beginning of promoting new entrepreneurs and also helping the established ones. So
Mentahi ngawan seni sepo Star Cement nomor ton gobe ke training ke ba kerjeng ke management development program iba ikon I member li betrai po CSR I penting pengas panggali ke training ban I yawan po senang jing dan ke ba new te yawan segini ke training ke ba training ini lagi IAE nampak Guwahati te ngas ngau kemenet nama nama balai ngas ngau yo mentoi sibun nampak kini training kebanangkong kada kebal kumnun pendiai lagi kam lajong bal kumnun penhek lene ban penhek ke business ke jongi ke kam ke bangi dan te ngadon bun ki plan ban snai ki homestay ban plan la ka jong homestay tang bangam pan don idea na ka bet nama balai ngilang sem jing ha ke financial na ka bet bisa tu abang iwan sini training as ngala yo ka jing toy ha ki kumno ban apply ki scheme le ki loan ki ban subsidy ku ba mentah pa mi khalia jongi la launch a wage scheme ke bagating CM elevate te kumno ye ban apply ha pa anta ki documents ke dan kam mat kumno ngin register la ka jong ka group ko jongi nama impan register te kumno register kumno pendiai ha ka benta ki hakil yang bisa bat kumno sna ki bank account kita baru ngala yo lut te ngasang kemen sibun ya hakaban yaki kaban kong yaki mem ki bala ai ni ke Jinghikai sipang ke training